13 Healthiest Foods with no carbs and no sugar. When it comes to maintaining a healthy, low-carb lifestyle, understanding which foods fit your goals is essential, whether you're following a ketogenic diet, managing blood sugar levels, or simply looking to reduce your carbohydrate intake. Choosing nutrient-dense, sugar-free, and carb-free options can make all the difference. Fortunately, nature provides a variety of foods that not only meet these criteria, but also deliver essential nutrients to fuel your body and mind. From lean proteins to healthy fats, these foods are versatile, satisfying, and perfect for creating balanced, carb-conscious meals. In this video, we'll explore 13 exceptional foods that contain zero sugar and carbs, making them ideal for supporting your health and dietary needs. But before we dive into these foods, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Beef. Beef is a rich source of high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. It is packed with iron, particularly heme iron, which the body absorbs efficiently. Beef also provides zinc, crucial for immune function and wound healing. Its high levels of vitamin B12 support brain function and red blood cell production. Different cuts, such as ribeye, sirloin, and ground beef, offer varied fat content for versatile meal options. Cooked plainly, it contains no carbs or sugars, making it a great low-carb option. Grass-fed beef often has higher omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Pair beef with non-starchy vegetables for a balanced carb-free meal. Number 2. Lamb. Lamb is a tender red meat loaded with essential nutrients like protein and healthy fats. It's particularly rich in selenium, which protects the body from oxidative stress. Lamb also contains high levels of iron, supporting oxygen transport in the blood. Its B vitamin content, especially B6 and B12, aids in energy production and brain health. Grass-fed lamb provides beneficial omega-3s and conjugated linoleic acid (CLA). When roasted or grilled without sugary marinades, it's naturally carb-free. Popular cuts like chops and shanks are flavorful and nutrient-dense. Lamb pairs well with herbs like rosemary and garlic for a healthy, satisfying meal. Number 3. Chicken. Chicken is a lean, versatile protein source that fits perfectly into a carb-free diet. It's rich in niacin, vitamin B3, which supports energy metabolism and skin health. Chicken also contains phosphorus, promoting strong bones and teeth. Skinless chicken breast is low in fat and ideal for calorie-conscious meals. Dark meat, like thighs, is slightly higher in fat, offering a juicier option for keto diets. Chicken is naturally carb and sugar-free when cooked simply. It can be baked, grilled, or boiled with herbs and spices for added flavor. To keep it carb-free, avoid breaded or sugary sauces during preparation. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish celebrated for its omega-3 fatty acids, which improve heart and brain health. It's high in high-quality protein, aiding muscle maintenance and repair. Salmon is also an excellent source of vitamin D, essential for bone health and immunity. Rich in antioxidants like astaxanthin, it helps reduce inflammation and supports skin health. Naturally free of carbs and sugar, salmon is perfect for keto and low-carb diets. It can be enjoyed grilled, baked, or steamed, making it a versatile meal option. Wild-caught salmon often contains more nutrients compared to farmed varieties. Pair it with non-starchy vegetables for a balanced carb-free plate. Number 5. Tuna. Tuna is a lean fish high in protein and low in calories. It's an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support cardiovascular and brain health. Tuna is also rich in selenium, offering protection against cellular damage. With no carbs or sugars, it's a great fit for low-carb and ketogenic diets. Canned or fresh, it's easy to prepare and widely available. Tuna steaks can be grilled or seared for a gourmet carb-free meal. It provides vitamins B12 and D, which aid in energy production and bone health. To enhance flavor without adding carbs, pair it with lemon, olive oil, or fresh herbs. Number 6. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense and versatile foods available. They contain high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, crucial for brain and liver health. They're rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. With no carbs or sugar, eggs are a staple for ketogenic and low-carb diets. They can be boiled, scrambled, fried, or poached for quick meals. The yolk provides healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and E. Including eggs in your diet promotes satiety and helps with weight management. Number 7. Butter. Butter is a pure fat source, free of carbs and sugars. It's rich in butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid, beneficial for gut health. Butter provides fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, and E, supporting immunity and skin health. Grass-fed butter often contains higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and CLA. It's an excellent option for cooking or adding flavor to low-carb dishes. Butter is easily digestible and provides a steady energy source for keto dieters. It pairs well with vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower to enhance flavor. Avoid margarine or blends with added sugars for the best health benefits. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet and a healthy fat source. It's packed with monounsaturated fats that support heart health and reduce inflammation. Olive oil contains antioxidants such as polyphenols, which combat oxidative stress. It's naturally carb and sugar-free, making it perfect for low-carb cooking. Extra virgin olive oil retains the most nutrients and flavor. Drizzle it over salads, roasted vegetables, or grilled meats for a nutritious meal. Olive oil is also known to improve cholesterol levels and support brain health. Store it in a cool, dark place to preserve its quality and benefits. Number 9. Shrimp. Shrimp is a low-calorie, high-protein seafood option. It's naturally carb and sugar-free, making it ideal for low-carb diets. Shrimp contains key nutrients like selenium and iodine, supporting thyroid function and immunity. It's also a great source of vitamin B12, which helps maintain nerve health and energy production. Shrimp is easy to cook by boiling, grilling, or sautéing with healthy fats. It's low in fat, but pairs well with butter or olive oil for added flavor. Wild-caught shrimp is often considered more sustainable and nutrient-rich. Avoid breaded or fried preparations to keep it carb-free. Number 10. Sardines. Sardines are small, oily fish packed with nutrients and free of carbs and sugars. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, supporting heart and brain health. Sardines are an excellent source of calcium, particularly when eaten with their soft, edible bones. They also provide vitamin D, essential for bone and immune health. High in protein, sardines promote muscle repair and satiety. Canned sardines in olive oil are a convenient and nutritious option. They're sustainable and often low in contaminants like mercury. Pair them with leafy greens or enjoy them as a snack for a complete meal. Number 11. Mackerel. Mackerel is a fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein. It provides essential nutrients like selenium and vitamin D, which support immunity and bone health. Mackerel is naturally free of carbs and sugars, making it perfect for low-carb diets. It also contains vitamin B12, crucial for brain health and energy production. Grilled or baked mackerel is flavorful and pairs well with herbs and spices. It's a sustainable seafood choice, often rich in beneficial fats. Mackerel is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, supporting overall health. Avoid smoked versions with added sugars to keep it carb-free. Number 12. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a pure fat source with no carbs or sugars. It's rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which provide quick energy and support metabolism. Coconut oil is resistant to high heat, making it great for cooking and frying. It has antimicrobial properties, supporting gut health and immunity. This oil can be used in baking, sautéing, or as a butter substitute. Coconut oil enhances the flavor of both sweet and savory dishes. Its lauric acid content helps promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Choose unrefined, cold-pressed coconut oil for maximum health benefits. Finally, number 13. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is another excellent fat source, free of carbs and sugars. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and cholesterol balance. Avocado oil also contains lutein, an antioxidant that promotes eye health. It has a high smoke point, making it ideal for frying, grilling, or roasting. This oil is mild in flavor, allowing it to complement a variety of dishes. It's packed with vitamin E, which benefits skin and reduces inflammation. Avocado oil can be drizzled over salads, used in marinades, or blended into dressings. Look for cold-pressed options to ensure optimal nutrient retention. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and food insights. Let us know in the comments which of these carb-free, sugar-free foods are your favorites, or if you have any suggestions for future topics. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video.